Hi, I'm Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a concealer after a BB cream. Now it's totally fine to combine those two, since a BB cream can really help you to give you a very light base plus offers a natural finish to even out your skin tone. And when it comes to the application, you either can go with your fingers or with a brush. Personally, I like to use a brush as it can also give a very even and lightweight application. Make sure that you're starting off with circular motions and also starting off from the center of the face and moving outwards. This way you're making sure that you're distributing the product evenly and that you're also going to keep the base very lightweight and natural looking. So once you have applied your BB cream all over the face, then we can move on to the concealer application. Now a concealer can be used to cover up any blemishes which are still a little bit more visible, as well as also using it under the eyes to also cover any discoloration. Make sure that if you want to use it also over your face, that it's also matching with your skin tone, otherwise the concealer will be noticeable. And when it comes to the under eye area, you either can stick with the same skin tone concealer, or if you want to make sure that it's going to brighten the under eye area a bit, you can also choose a lighter one. And then either use a brush or your fingers to blend the concealer into the skin. Now just because a BB cream is meant to help you to even out the skin tone and give you a light base, doesn't mean that you can't use a concealer afterwards if you still can't see any blemishes. It's actually an amazing combination because you really can keep the focus with the concealer only on those areas where you need a bit of extra coverage, and then the rest of your face will look very natural and even. And a concealer can help you to hide any blemishes, breakouts, a bit of redness, to really have a seamless and also flawless makeup application later on, but still keep it lightweight and natural looking. So once you have applied the concealer on those areas where it's needed, you can move on to face powder. And you either can only use a bit of face powder where you have applied the concealer, such as on those blemishes and also under the eyes. But depending on your skin type and you're getting oily or sweaty during the day, you might also want to use a bit of face powder, mainly very light-handed all over the face area, so that everything stays put. So here you can see the before and after, what my skin looks like with only the BB cream and also with a bit of concealer. And it's so amazing how it can cover up those little blemishes, a bit of redness, and also brighten the under eye area with only a bit of product. And this can also help you to keep the base very lightweight and even, but still provide enough coverage to those areas where it's needed, and it always will give you a very natural looking finish. So I do hope that you now know how you can use the concealer after the BB cream, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!